All right, y'all. So my mama don't know it, but I'm actually probably about to take her for a ride. It's gonna be a short video, just more of a reaction thing. It's my mom, you know. So I want to take her for a ride. So this video might be today or it might be a week from now, but I want to take my mom for a ride in the car and see what she think. Cause she drove the car on the very first cam setup and she didn't drive it. I told her to smash it, but she gave it like 50 to almost 75%, and that wasn't enough. But I got the Hoosiers on. So it might actually hook some, may not, because I know the tires probably about cold now sitting at the house. We just both left the grocery store because I met her there. So I don't know. Let's see if she'll go for a ride. All right, y'all, my mom's about to get in. Let's see how this goes.
Leave the damn receipt.
Yeah, he probably
at the place.
Yeah, but I'm sure. Yeah, I gotta get this. I gotta buy another panel because that broke.
Why is that number on that?
That's from when we was at the track Friday night. You know I made it to the finals. Did you see Jasmine post?
I don't guess I'm no friend of theirs.
Yeah, you are. I made y'all friends. Good thing I got it loose. The suspension up front.
Yeah, but didn't I just hear something dragging?
No, you heard it scrape.
Well, scraping, same. Hell, that's the same thing.
No, that's because the weight. Because you never really got to ride in this car with me driving, huh?
Where is you going? I thought you was gonna get on the freeway.
No, we'll go down the street and come back. Get on the freeway, we're doing too much. And I got this weird noise, this belt noise. I cannot figure out where it's coming from. I don't know if it's coming from, it's one of the belts, but it's not something that's bad. But I guess gotta figure out which noise, which pulley it's coming from. You can hear it.
What's wrong with your air conditioner?
Oh, so, well, you know, I still got to charge it. But when I was tying down the AC line to the condenser, because you know you got the radiator, and the radiator cools down the engine, and the condenser is what creates your AC.
What are all these wires and
So
stuff?
it's just leave it, mama. But this wire is for my auxiliary. I don't have Bluetooth in this car. But these wires is for like whenever you know Pat G and Houston.
Yeah.
Yeah, some is for him. So when me and him were doing stuff.
Don't you think you need to try to get a key
Keep what?
for this? All right, your ass gonna get a ticket.
Yes, I do need to get another key. Yes.
And it ain't but one key to that Nissan, right?
Yeah, one key to the Nissan. I got another key. Actually, I got 3 keys and only 2 key pads.
To this car.
Yeah. But they both look the same. The other one looks even worse.
And they can't take all 3 of them and make one key.
So basically, well, I get an uncut key and an unprogrammed pad. So the key has a chip in it, right? So it's like it's a chip to this V. So the computer that the engine runs by, it'll be like, hey, you know, this ain't the right car. So look, for the red key, for the red car, right?
Yeah.
So if I try to put that key in here, it'll go into like a safety mode, saying that, hey, this key don't match, so I can't start this car. Even if so look, this is what I did. I used the same keypad from the red car, and I used the key that came with this car. But that chip is still programmed to the red car. So with that being said, I can't do anything with it.
You can't get a new key.
Yeah, I have to go buy a whole My headliner.
Yeah.
It's just a thing that happened with these G8s. It didn't happen in the red car.
Because which car of mine?
No, but that's what I'm saying. It's a G8 thing. All the G8s do this at some point. But that's why you see I got these tacks up there.
Yeah, but one of my cars did this.
I don't know.
You can't go somewhere and have it tighten up or
No, I'm just
stretch
I'm
or
gonna
something?
because on Amazon I could buy some suede for like $40, and then there's this adhesive spray for fabric. You put it up there and you recreate it, and you make your own basically. That's where I took King down there.
Yeah. Is that what? Oh, that's a light, right?
Mm-hmm.
And it came from around the light.
Mm-hmm. Here, Mom. This is what we do at the track.
Oh, I know what y'all be doing. And Dave didn't get to see the video because he was dealing with the AT&T man.
Here.
Why are you doing that?
So this is basically so I can launch as fast and hard as I can to go. You ready?
Right, your ass. Your ass is gonna get a ticket.
And you know what's funny is because the tires are not hot, that's why you see us at the track. We do a little burnout so we can get the tires warm.
Oh,
So basically, the tires are kind of warm just because we're driving on them, but it's not warm enough. But that's why it was kind of like an intermittent, like it was like, okay, you feel the power and then like you felt the power. So that's why at the drag strip you see us do burnouts. But
Dave.
look,
Dave said that's hard on this motor.
no. Motors and stuff, engines and stuff are totally different nowadays. Why did that look like your sister? It looked like Ain't Deborah a little bit. And the car and the BMW next to us. She just pulled like Ain't Deborah. What you think, Mama?
If it had some air, I'd probably be able to ride it.
But I wouldn't be doing
Even
that the
though
whole
it's
time.
noisy.
No, but really it's not that bad. But I do need to fix a couple things like right here. Put your hand right here. You feel that heat?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I don't know what it is, but so when Manny had the car, or it's either Manny had it, or well, it couldn't have been Manny. No, it wasn't Manny.
Put a starter
Manny put the starter in. The starter is like over here somewhere. But okay, so when it was at that transmission shop, so when I pulled my car back apart,
yeah,
like there were different bolts there. Like I had to go buy different bolts. Like they didn't do what they didn't reuse the bolts that was there. So they probably used bolts because when you work on cars, you have so many different bolts from different cars when you take stuff apart. Because sometimes
they put somebody else's shit in yours.
Yes. So I basically had to, redo all my stuff, and I think there was a heat shield that go from here, because this is the transmission right here. So this is called a transmission tunnel. So there's this big aluminum sheet. So think of like aluminum foil when you cook it. You know how the aluminum foil is not hot, but the food is hot?
Yeah.
Okay, so basically the same thing, but it's not there. And I don't know if there's one there in the first place. And it just gets hot for no reason. And like when you're driving, you're on the freeway and you're in the highest gear it's in. You feel the heat. It don't be like blowing out like a heater, but you feel the heat. So like if you're driving and it's hot outside, then it gets even hotter.
Where's your door key?
Right there.
Oh, this?
Yeah, because